Ukrainian Defense Minister Oleksiy Reznikov was quoted as saying that the Chinese envoy expressed disbelief in the US-made Patriot air defense system shooting down the Russian hypersonic missile over Ukraine. Top Chinese officials were visiting the war-torn country when Ukraine reportedly claimed to have downed several Kinzhal missiles. But Ukrainian officials revealed that Lee did not believe the Patriots had successfully intercepted Russia's Kinzhal hypersonic missile. The Ukrainian Minister of Defense stated that he had offered to provide evidence to overcome any doubts. However, the Chinese envoy left Kyiv without reviewing the evidence. Currently, Ukraine has recently signed maintenance contracts with leading defense companies such as Britain's Babcock International, France's Nexter Systems, known for their artillery production, and Germany's Rheinmetall. Meanwhile, it is quite clear that China, a staunch ally of Russia, harbors skepticism about the effectiveness of the Patriot system against hypersonic missiles. This skepticism is not surprising, given China's own notable advances in hypersonics and repeated claims made by state media that existing air defense systems are inadequate to intercept such a weapons system. On May 5, reports first emerged stating that Ukrainian forces had successfully shot down a Kinzhal missile, marking the first instance of such an interception. Initially, the Ukrainian Air Force disputed the claims. However, in the end, they confirmed that the target had been shot down. Nonetheless, the claims made by Ukraine regarding the downing of the hypersonic missile could not be independently verified by the Eurasian Times. Since most of the information comes from war zones, it is vulnerable to being affected by the info war carried out by both sides. China's arsenal of hypersonic weapons includes the DF-17, a medium-range ballistic missile with a hypersonic glide vehicle, and the DF-41 intercontinental ballistic missile with a hypersonic glide vehicle. The DF-41 test in July 2021, in which the hypersonic weapon circumnavigated the globe, even drew comparisons to the start of the original space race. Beijing is also believed to be in possession of the DF-ZF hypersonic glide vehicle, which has a range of nearly 2,000 kilometers, and the Starry Sky 2, a prototype nuclear-capable hypersonic weapon. Ukraine A testing ground. For Western equipment, the conflict in Ukraine marks the first large-scale deployment of NATO weapons against Russian troops since Moscow's invasion of Ukraine in February 2022. According to Reznikov, Kyiv's Western allies now have the opportunity to assess the effectiveness and efficiency of their weapons, as well as determine whether upgrades are needed. In the interview, he stated, "For the world's military industry, you cannot find a better testing ground. GPS-guided munitions used for artillery and multiple launch rocket systems such as the US HIMARS have demonstrated high accuracy." However, he said that Russia's powerful radio-electronic system had managed to find a method to disrupt this system, Reznikov added. The Ukrainian Minister of Defense further explained that Ukraine will immediately share this information with their partners when Russia draws up countermeasures. In response, collaborative efforts were made to develop new countermeasures to counter Russian interference. This continuous cycle of countermeasures demonstrates the constant evolution and adaptation that is taking place in the realm of modern warfare technology. A similar approach is used to enhance drone surveillance and strike capabilities, which are in widespread use but suffer frequent interference attempts. Reznikov likens the ongoing battle to the constant swing of a pendulum, highlighting the ever-evolving nature of warfare technology. Reznikov also noted the significant global interest and scrutiny surrounding the ongoing conflict in Ukraine. He stated that India, China and other countries that have acquired weapons from Russia are watching the situation closely.